The blizzard has disrupted normal life for residents of neighboring cities, including Atlantic City in the U.S. state of New Jersey. The blizzard started on Monday morning local time. The bone-chilling cold wind blew with heavy snowfall till evening. There have also been reports of coastal floods. Snowstorms have caused up to 12 to 13 inches of snow in some cities. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy declared a state of emergency ahead of the first snowstorm of the year. Atlantic City residents were allowed free parking in a web garage under the CRDA. City officials in Atlantic City took precautionary measures in the face of a snowstorm, locals said. Many flights were canceled due to the snowstorm. Offices of Atlantic City government and Atlantic County government were also closed except for emergency services. Schools and colleges were also declared closed. The number of vehicles on the road was very low. City public works people have been busy clearing snow from the streets since morning. Expatriate Bangladeshis in Atlantic City did not leave their homes unnecessarily. Those who work in casinos have had a hard time getting to work. Atlantic City Mayor Marty Small kept a close eye on the situation from the beginning and closely monitored the work of the people in public works. After the snowstorm stopped that evening, the residents of the cities were busy clearing the piled snow around the house. This snowstorm brings sadness in everyone's mind without cutting off the joy of New Year. Subrata Chowdhury. Bongshai News. Atlantic City, New Jersey, USA.